Hi and welcome to Just Basics, and today I will be showing you how you use WeTransfer for free. WeTransfer is one of the most used file sharing solutions. WeTransfer lets the users share large files at almost any format. With the free service, you can share the files up to 2 GB over WeTransfer at a time, which is way more than the most of the traditional email attachment size. So the paid version of the service, the sharing of files up to 20 GB in one go. For example, if you need to share files, an image or video that exceeds the attachment limitations of emails, WeTransfer provides you a simple and quick option. Now in this video guys, let me share with you how to use WeTransfer for free to share your files and how it looks on your receiver's end. Okay, so we have to open any browser. I'll be using Google in this video or in this demo. Then type in WeTransfer. Here you have a choice to use the free service or free version or a pro version, which of course has a monthly subscription that has more advantages and larger space for storage and transfer. What I like the most with WeTransfer is that I have an option to be as just a guest without logging in or signing up for a free account. Okay, so in this tutorial, let me show how to use this using the free version as a guest. Let's say you're transferring a video file to your client, or maybe you wanted to share to your editor or a colleague or a coworker. Alright, so at the left hand side, we need to fill out this form. Let's upload the file that we need to transfer or share. So as you can see guys, you can upload a single file or a folder at one go. And then after that, the receiver's email address. Then your email. Of course, it should be a working email. You can opt to put a title, like for example, test project, but it will automatically copy the title of your file. But if you want to change it, yes, you can. And the message. I'll just be putting here, hello, this is the file for the test project, test of luck. Alright, so once you're done, you need to verify your email address. If you don't want to verify your email address, time you will be using WeTransfer, then you need to sign up for a free account, and the next time you'll be using WeTransfer, don't have to verify your email address anymore. Then you'll just have to wait for the transfer to be finished. It may take at least 1 to 2 minutes depending how large your files are. So the 1.8 GB that I uploaded, I waited at least 2 minutes. Alright, so if the transfer is done, the email will be sent to your receiver. Your transfer, guys, is only available for 7 days. So again, this is only for the free version, okay? Alright, so on the right hand side, it would show you the summary transfer details. Now, let me show you quickly what it looks like on the receiver's end. Alright, so let me open the email of the receiver, which is mine. So this is just a demo, of course. Okay. And here's the email, and it contains the file. So let's open that up and click Get Files. Alright, so it will lead you to WeTransfer page containing the files that was transferred. Alright, so if for example you want to attach the link for interview or application purposes like that, so here's a quick note how to do that. So just copy the link from the email that was sent to you or the URL up here. I know that the URL is very long, so if you want to make it shorter, you can also follow what I just did here. So I used bit.ly.com to shorten my URL. So there are other apps or websites where you can shorten your URL, but you can also follow this one if you want to. And that's it. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys, about WeTransfer. So I hope this video helped you somehow. If you have further questions or any clarifications about what you just did, just let me know in the comments and let me know what do you want to see, or I'll be showing you, or maybe a tutorial on my next video. Let me know in the comments. And before you move on to the next video, please do subscribe to my channel. You can also check other related videos on my channel as well. And as a bonus for me, don't forget to like this video, share if you need to, and see you on my next video, guys.